November 5th, 2020 review. Write a ratio for basketballs to soccer balls in 3 different ways. Then write a ratio comparison statement for the ratios written. All right, so here we're comparing 2 things. What are we comparing? We're comparing basketballs to soccer balls. So basketballs to soccer balls. Woo! Meant to highlight it, not put the writing in. There we go. So basketballs to soccer balls. So what comes first? Basketballs. How many basketballs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 basketballs. The words is just 2, T-O. 2 soccer balls. How many soccer balls? 1, 2, 3. So our ratio is 5 to 3. Let's write it with a colon. We know how to do this. 5 and then that colon 3. And then the fraction. 5 with that fraction bar or that slash 3. Now, ratio comparison statement. For every blank, there are blank. For every 5 basketballs, there are how many soccer balls? 3. 3 soccer balls. That's it. All right, that's it for that one. Let's take a look at over here, Percy's Pizza Parlor. All right, so Percy's Pizza Parlor sells 3 sizes of pizza, which are displayed in the given table. Or the given chart. There we go. All right, so here's the size of the pizza, small, medium, large. Here's the diameter. That means when you have your circle pizza from one side to the other, directly across, that's your diameter. So what is the ratio of the diameter of the large pizza to the diameter of the small pizza? Then state the ratio comparison statement. All right, so the ratio of the large pizza, so we're comparing 2 things, or the diameter of the large pizza, so the diameter of the large pizza to the diameter of the small pizza. Let's put that in green. Oh, yeah. All right, so large pizza and small pizza. Now, we need to take a look up here. So large pizza, what's the diameter? 17 inches. All we're doing is looking at this table. It says the diameter of the large pizza, right here, this large pizza is 17 inches. So first is going to be that 17. Our words, 2, T-O. And then the diameter of the small pizza. So small pizza is up here, 11 inches. There's our small pizza. So our diameter is going to be 11. So it'll be 17 to 11. It doesn't ask us about the medium pizza. We don't have to do the total for all of it. All we're doing is that large pizza to the small pizza. Let's write it in 3 different ways. So we have that 17 to 11, 17 colon 11. And then that fraction, 17 with that fraction bar, 11. All right, now, ratio comparison statement. For every blank, there are blank. For every 17 inches, so that's 17 for every 17. So what is that 17? For every 17 inches diameter of a large pizza, there are how many inches of diameter of a small pizza? 11 inches of diameter of a small pizza. So that's 17 inches diameter of a large pizza. For every blank, there are blank. So for every 17 inches diameter of a large pizza, there are 11 inches of diameter of a small pizza. So every time you're going to have, for every blank, there are blank. For every blank, there are blank. So notice how every time the ratio comparison statement, for every blank, there are blank. For every blank, there are blank. And that is it for our review. Great job.